Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Doing It with Briggs. And today we're going on with our masterclass of how to become a YouTube creator. It's one of the greatest things I've ever done with my life as far as bringing me happiness and bringing me money. The reason we're doing this, I want to share it with you guys. Today, we're talking about YouTube features. Now, just to kind of give you the rundown, I'm kind of giving you all these ideas and these strategies before we actually show you how to upload a video and do all that stuff. I want you to kind of understand how YouTube works a little bit before we get to that point because right now, this is fifth video, you should be going through the process of trying to decide what your channel is going to be about, what, genre you're going to be in, how many times you're going to upload a week, what is your goal? Do you just want to have fun? Do you want to make money? Do you want to make a lot of money? That's what you should be going through right now. And today we're talking about features. YouTube has features that you should use, and I'll tell you why. In the beginning, when you're trying to get your YouTube channel going, you'll realize that there's a couple different things you could do. You could upload normal videos, horizontal, you could live stream, you could do shorts, you could do community posts now. You could do all kinds of stuff. And there's other features besides just uploading. You could now do affiliate links. Uh, there's YouTube shopping that you could attach to your channel once you get monetized, different things like that. And these are all YouTube features. When I first started, you had live streams and you had normal video, horizontal, no shorts. Yeah, I guess community posts were there, but there wasn't really a focus on them. They also had this thing called YouTube Stories, which was short lived. It's too bad. The reason I bring this up is because when YouTube comes up with a new feature, you should use it. Be an early adapter or adopter, whatever they call it. Get in on it right away. See if it works for your channel. I use shorts occasionally, but they don't really, you know, work with my subscribers and my viewer base. I have an older than average viewer base or subscribers, so they really don't get into the shorts. They want to see long form videos and they want to see community posts, obviously. I make community posts all the time and I gather subscribers from community posts, which sounds weird. When they come out with a new feature, you have to start using it. And like when shorts came out, I started using it right away. I had limited success, but I realized my people didn't like it, so I quit using it. I started doing live streams. Live streams really helped me build my community. Now, in the beginning, when they're just coming out with something new, do it because that is what they want you to be promoting. That's what they want you to be doing. And the YouTube algorithm is going to give you some preference if you're using a new feature they want you to use. Just recently, they came out with how they're promoting vertical live stream. Okay, so using your phone, you film a live stream instead of running it through all my fancy software, almost like you do on Instagram or TikTok. That's what YouTube is pushing, vertical live streaming. So if you're starting your channel now, I would suggest doing that. Now, when you live stream and you don't have an audience, you're not going to get any viewers, but they will show you to people and you might pick up viewers, you might pick up subscribers. So make sure you're giving your best when you do a live stream or when you do a vertical live stream. So anyone that happens to come across your channel and sees you for the first time, it's not just some mess that you threw up there in a hurry. You're trying to grab a new audience. Make sure you have a plan when you do your vertical live stream and do it. Like we'll go back to some of our examples. If you're doing chess videos, get a live stream and talk about a new chess set you got, something like that. And make sure you have it all ready to show people all the pieces. Just have a plan going into it because YouTube really wants you to promote their features, okay? And their new features that they have. Like I was talking about earlier, they had stories a while back. Now, stories they were promoting for a brief time, and I used it, and I had some success with it. I would post a story, which was easy, just 15-second video of me saying, talking about something, and I would usually get about 10 subscribers each one of those, which at the time I was struggling to get subscribers, period. So all of a sudden I'm getting 10 extra a day by putting up these 15-second videos. It was excellent. It was great. And then, I guess it just didn't do well for YouTube. So they pulled it and quit using it. Now, short form content and vertical live streams, they're not going anywhere. If you really want to be successful on YouTube right now, make sure you incorporate that into your video upload schedule. So let's say you're doing long form, you're doing once a week. Make sure at least once a week, twice a week, you throw up a short about something relative to whatever your genre is or your theme of your channel. Okay. So make sure you do that. Another feature that might help, which I don't know if you use it, they're gonna, the algorithm's gonna do anything for you. But just recently, a couple months back, they made it so you could try out three different thumbnails. Instead of just putting up one thumbnail, looking at it for a day to see if it works, they now give you the option to put three up there. And they'll tell you, they run a test. They're showing it to different audiences. Which one did more people click on? After if you're getting a lot of views, it's like a couple hours. They're going, this is your best one. And if you don't have a lot of views, it might take 2 or 3 days. Then they'll say, this is your best one. So you just click on it. It becomes your new thumbnail for that video. And the other two just kind of go away. So it's a new feature. Make sure you use it. Whenever they come out with new features in the future, make sure you try it out. If it's not something that's going to work for your audience, try it, then shine it on. But give it a try because it might be that little lightning bolt that, skyrockets your channel. You never know when it's going to happen. You're just one video away, one live stream, one vertical live stream, one short away from your channel taking off. That's the facts about YouTube. Just takes that one video. I talked about before, maybe not on this channel, on the other one, about how my channel, I tried different things. I was trying gaming because when I first started, it was PewDiePie is the guy I found out was making like $14 million a year. I was like, I need to do that. And, of course, when you see something like that, you don't know anything about it. Well, you just got to do what he does, right? So I started gaming. It didn't go anywhere. Now I looked, Casey Neistat was the big deal. I started, vlogging. That didn't go anywhere. We'll talk about vlogging later on. But eventually I made a list about top 10 reasons not to move to Portland, Oregon. And it was Las Vegas, sorry. And at the time, I was lucky if I was getting 100 views a video the first month it was up. So if I put up 4 videos this month, I'd get 400 views. I'd get 400 views from them. Well, I put that video up about Las Vegas, and funny thing, some of you may have heard this before, but that video wasn't even researched. I made that video to put up on a friend's Facebook who was moving to Las Vegas, and it was just stereotypical things I knew about Las Vegas, why you shouldn't move to Las Vegas. I put it up. Me and my wife got in the car right after I hit upload. I turned off the computer and we bailed. We were going up to Seattle for the weekend. By the time I got there, I pulled up my phone to see how the video was doing, expecting to see, 50 views if I was lucky. I had like 13,000 views, which, yeah, I actually got I thought something was wrong at first. Then I had to sit down. I couldn't believe what was happening. My channel took off from there. Now I had a handful of videos before that. I'd probably been working at it about 6 months, but that's what really launched the channel. And it just kept going from there. You have your ups and downs, but for the most part, I've had a pretty good climb, all because that one video, I put it up there. So that kind of got off base of what we were talking about, how you try out new features. But the point is, try them out because you never know which one's going to click for your audience and your channel's going to do what that Vegas video did for me. You never know. All right, everyone. Make sure you look at the features of YouTube, stay up to date on them, and try them when they come out. All right, we'll see you in the next video. I'll be wearing the same shirt because I'm about to do that right now. Everyone have a great day. Be nice to each other.